I just made the most awesome grilled chicken and pesto sandwich, and I'm gonna share with you my tips on how to pack it for lunch in a lunchbox. So my lunchbox, I placed some apples and celery already for later, and in this main compartment is where I'm gonna place my sandwich. Now, I grill this sandwich the same way that you would grill any cheese or any sandwich, on a pan on both sides until golden and melty. I flipped it over and then I removed it from the pan onto my board, and I simply sliced it in half. Now, slicing it in half allows the heat to escape and the sandwich to cool down to room temperature completely. You want to wait until the sandwich has cooled down completely to room temperature before you place it in the lunchbox. The reason for this is so there's no heat left, and when you close the sandwich, steam doesn't build up and then you don't have a crispy bread, which is what we love from grilled sandwiches. Now, the sandwich is not going to stay hot in the lunchbox. The whole point of grilling the sandwich is to get that crispy texture that we love on our bread, to melt the cheese, marry it with the other ingredients, and it still tastes awesome, but it just will not be hot. Now, with your sandwich in one compartment and everything else in another, you have a perfectly delicious lunch. If you want a recipe for this grilled chicken and pesto sandwich, make sure to watch this next video. See you guys next time.